Well, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Large format pan tile for the win. I really like this. Feels good on the feet. Matte finish is necessary so it's not too slippery. Proper pitch and slope right down to the drain. Let's remove the clips. Start the wall tile. We'll do the back wall, left wall, and right wall today. Again, grout joint right up the middle. To the top, fulls on the left, fulls on the right with about a 8-inch piece here. Right up to the sill here. Everything's coming along quickly, smoothly, fulls. We'll find a good grout color so that these joints do disappear. So back wall's almost complete. Alright guys, we are making really great progress with this bathroom remodel. The shower is nearly complete. Before we move closer to completion with this shower, we need to install our floor tile. So, Dietra's going down. We're going to vacuum, sponge, prep the subfloor. Once the floor goes down, then we are able to install our curb. Our curb lands on the floor, and then we install tile on the outside of the shower, which lands on the curb. So, floor, curb, outside of the shower. We'll trim it out on both sides. This should take about 2 to 3 hours. Drop the Dietra down, install our 15 by 30 tiles. Grout joints going all the way back here. Super simple, clean, straight pattern. Here we go. Dietra is down. We drew our line here. Let's install this straight pattern. We have the Monolith set up right here in the master bedroom. Snap, install. This should go very, very fast here. Let's knock this floor out. And everything's framed out here for our wall mounted toilet, drain, water source. We install the frame and then drywall tile. Wainscot up to here. All right guys, here we are the next day. Floor is complete. We're going to remove our clips and wedges, cover it with some floor covering to protect the floor. Okay guys, time to finish the shower today. All right, guys, we have our manufactured quartz here off the shelf at Home Depot, a medium gray. This runs about 50 bucks. We're going to cut this down for the curb. We're going to rip it down, cut it to size, and miter the curb and dog leg. Here we go. Guys, shower is nearly complete. Last piece of tile for it will be the tileable drain. Grate here. We're going to pull the plastic, prep everything. DeLorean gray will be the color of the grout. We're going to silicone the sides of the shower as well as where the curb butts up to the floor. Prep, grout, grout, grout. The wall-mounted toilet is going in now. We're going to tile the back of it and then install this toilet. So yeah, quite a bit of a mess, but we're going to clean up, grout, make everything look pretty. Here we go.